Hey food friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making flank steak salad. I make the steak salad like all the time. If you've been checking out my Instagram, then you see this a lot, like a lot. And probably the biggest reason is I've kind of switched from making ribeye and baked potatoes to a steak salad because flank steak, you can really stretch it. And with the rising cost of meat lately, it's been great for my steak cravings. So keep an eye out on the ingredients. Most of that is for a really great feta dressing that I make for my steak salad, although I do a lot of different types of dressing. So dry the meat. You want to add a little bit of neutral oil that has a higher smoke point than olive oil, so like grapeseed or avocado, and then season that meat with your favorite steak seasoning. And then we're assembling the dressing. So all of the dressing ingredients that are below in the summary. And I am obsessed with my mini food processor. You could make a lot of dressing in a bigger food processor, especially if it's more than you and you have a family that you're feeding. This dressing is great all week, so I highly recommend it. Adding a little fresh herbs in there too. Looks like I've got some dill. But like I said, you really could make this salad with whatever dressing you want, with that, whatever toppings. I always have pickled red onion that goes really well. Looks like I have some radish, cucumber, and tomatoes that I add to the salad. Also, if you have in the summer, those like sweet peppers are really great to slice thin and add. Looks like I've got some spinach and arugula as well. And then you just want to cook your steak. So you do want to sear it for about 3 minutes and then put it in the oven to finish. And then you want to assemble your salad. It really comes together so quickly. That's why I love this salad. And I also always have single portions in my freezer of this flank steak. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Enjoy!